Okay. And here we go. You ready? Okay, here's our birthday party. Here we have Jesus. Okay. A friend of mine I grew up with that died back there in the corner. We got Abraham Lincoln. We got Megan. We got Buddha and Japanese stuff. An egg. And we got Spock and the Mentalist. What could possibly go wrong? And we got all kinds of blue stuff. And this thing here, the blue thing, came from Africa. Megan's half-sister sent Megan that from Africa. Ain't that pretty? That's pretty. We got that. We got Mardi Gras beads, and we got cats, and yeah, see here, here's Spock. Yeah, it's a focusing son of a gun, ain't it? Yeah, forget it. Yeah, I forgot to add, not only do we have Jesus and Abraham Lincoln, we have Marie Laveau, the Voodoo Queen of New Orleans. And my candle, check out that bad boy. I don't know if it'll focus, but that is going to be one good glass to drink rum out of. So that burns out of there. Yes, indeed. That was my drill bit.
She had a massive stroke in March of last year. Gert had her stroke in February, and then Dolly went down in March. But Dolly
do it again.
She's in a wheelchair.
And here's our no-show model here. She's supposed to model with us the other day. She didn't do that. Here, I'm gonna go.
Does that? She takes a pill a day, puts it either in peanut butter or wraps it in.
Yeah, a chondroitin pill. Yeah.
And gives it to Sandy.
Okay. And here's our.
I went to Red, White, and Blue and bought
a bad dog.
Just a comforter.
Cheap
comforter.
Yeah.
And put it on, and I fold it up and pour it on the floor for Sandy.
There's our Claire.
And that's her bed because she can't
get up on. Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
She's big.
Okay, now let's start here. This is Randy. We got him here. Yay! Let's everybody clap. No. Come on, clap. Yay! We got Randy here. Yay! There's Megan. Here's Stephen. This is Megan's brother. We're a brother from another mother because we're all saw different colors here. And this is Ashley Wiggins. And so these are the couples that are in and now they're being good because I'm going to come in here and smack them in the head with the ball bat if they're doing any kissing and touching and fooling around because I ain't going to be responsible for that business. But yeah, we want to get a little video here. And they got the little tunes over here. I heard them doing some Chaka Khan, which is older than all of them put together. So I love Chaka Khan. That's my music there. All right. Get in here! Everybody, no, Megan, just turn around. Everybody, no, don't set it down. Hold it.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, well then, no, for Pete.
You ready?
Okay, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Megan. And many more.
Many more.
Now blow it out. Okay, look. You're gonna let it drip in your ice cream.
What? Blow before you have drip.
Black wax in your ice cream. Yeah, that's no. Hey! Woo! All right. All right, now. Okay, this is Megan opening her presents. She's not socializing with us at all. Everybody back up a minute. Megan, why don't you sit in that chair right there? There you go. Now we can see all your loot. Now there. What do you think of that?
Watches.
How many watches, Megan?
Whoa. Oh, Miss Girl, love that.
Two watches. Yeah. I figure out whichever one she don't want, I'll wear the other one.
There you go.
Mine's broken.
Broken? I'll get that one.
Let me see that.
Okay, put it up. We'll go to the next thing. We'll look at it later. It may or may not be broken.
Yeah.
No, boy, that's blue. That's
Oh, yeah, it's kind of like the same thing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
We had the
All right, here's Megan opening things.
bus drive. About 5.
Claire, you still talking about dates?
Yeah.
You're a walking dictionary, encyclopedia of dates. Claire is a date encyclopedia. She knows everything that happened at every time, beginning with Katrina. Okay. Ta-da! And for everyone here in the building, now listen up. Some of them heard it, some of them didn't. Aunt Kathleen ordered something that's not here yet, and she ordered Megan a bocce ball set.
How cool is that?
So, we will have some bocce ball parties, but they are not going to have a bunch of food.
I love it.
It'll be, bring yourself a liter of 7-Up,
Yeah.
and we'll play bocce, because I can't afford to feed everybody very often. And we'll do this, at Christmas time. Hey! All right.
That's nice.
So we can have some bocce ball get-togethers, but it's going to be real hot coming up, and I can't handle the hot, so it'll be cooled off before I go outside.
My God, did the students ride the taxis to West Jeff?
Huh?
Did the students ride the taxis to West Jeff after Katrina?
Oh, Lord, she's still talking about Katrina. You're in a Katrina rut.
She's in Katrina mood.
She's in a Katrina mode. She got she flipped on the memory.
Katrina.
We was talking about the hospital and the doctors being here, sleeping through Katrina, and then that flipped Claire's. We turned all Claire's buttons on.
My bad.
Claire's got all her memories. She's going on Katrina over there. That's so cute. She knows you know more memory dates than I do, Claire. I try to forget it actually.
I know you remember.
She's good. She knows that time and the date, and it's like I just want to forget, Hey, okay. I remember when I left and when I came back, and everything else I don't want to know. Hey, look at that! All right. Ooh, that's one of them soft bears. Oh, yes indeed. Ooh, yay!
Ooh, that's your baby.
Yeah.
Ah.
From me and Steven.
Oh, that's too sweet. All right. Awesome.
Not that bad. This one.
Oh, Steven said that's not right. So that's from the girl. He said, that's her. Yes, indeed. It's too funny. Hurry up, Megan. Yeah, you're slow.
Oh, that's for Mom.
Oh, hey! Gimme! I got something.
For Mom. 'Cause Mom. No, that's you. This is Mom because Mom says
Well, let me
she's
see.
always looking for ideas.
Oh,
Did
I got.
this for the little bazaar.
Check them out. And you got.
Is that adorable? It's an angel.
And it's useful.
It is. It's pot holder.
It hangs.
Isn't that adorable? So you can hang it up as a decoration.
Yeah.
Use it, but it's the pot holder.
I'll hang it up for decoration. Yeah, I see that.
The little you
Cloth.
cut it in half. So
Yeah.
it's got the little cloth, and this is the little
I'll be dang. And see, so because we are
loved it.
about ready
Good
to.
time making.
Yeah, I'm gonna hang
We
it.
did like Christmas ones, and then we did fall ones. I mean,
I'll put that up, and then at some point in time it will become a.
Dollar Tree.
Yeah, okay, a Dollar Tree. Hey, turn off that. What is that?
that's me. It might be Shayna.
There we go. I hate those things.
Hey, honey. Hey.
Next time I'm gonna make everybody put their cell phones in a can, and I'm gonna stomp on all of them. She said, no. Oh, that flipped the buttons. That's too funny. No, I wouldn't really. That's good though.
So I need to call him.
How you been, Ashley Wiggins? I hadn't seen you in so long.
I've been fine.
Ooh,
I'm
she-
in school now.
Oh, where you at? Where you at? Where you going to school?
Frederick Douglass for my GED.
Oh, good for you. I know exactly where Frederick Day. I did some
That's only
substitute.
too far. She told me it's right by you guys' house to school.
Frederick Douglass. No, that's way over there.
It's right there. By the expressway. You belong in the expressway.
Frederick Douglass. Oh, I know where you at. Yeah, okay, I know where you at. Oh, there's another Frederick Douglass over in Ninth Ward.
Alexandra needs to.
I did some science teaching over in the Ninth Ward.
Can I pick you guys up from the mall and then just bring you home for today? And maybe you come over tomorrow.
Okay. Well, put your stuff down. Go to the next thing. Are you done?
Or whatever.
Oh, you're done? Well, that's so good. You did such a good job. Oh, and then there's... Oh! Yay! Yay, Megan! Megan's a rat. No. Megan's a good girl. She's a sweet girl. Okay. So... Are we officially done with the celebratories?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Girls with guitars, Wynonna Judd. Ones that played that guitar. Girls with guitars.